How do I find full-text articles in CINAHL Complete? We'll begin by looking at two different citations in the CINAHL Complete database. First, we'll look at a citation with a link to the full-text article. The PDF Full Text button will take us directly to the article. Here's an article titled Expanding Diabetes Screening to Identify Undiagnosed Cases Among Emergency Department Patients, which has full text availability in CINAHL. Select the PDF Full Text button to immediately view the full text of the article. The tools icons located in the upper right-hand corner of the article page include Save Item, Cite, Add to Project, Share, Download, Print, Publication Contents, Listen, and Accessibility Support. Select the download icon to save it to your computer. The PDF format includes the article's original formatting, including page numbers, charts, graphs, and pictures. Most results in CINAHL Complete do not have a direct link to the full-text article, but access may be available through the UW Library's search system. Now let's look at the citation for an article titled Ensuring Equitable Care in Diabetes Management Among Patients of Health Resources and Services Administration-funded health centers in the United States. When we select the Access Now button, we are searching the UW Library search system. A new tab or window will open the catalog record for this article in UW Library Search. There may be a few more steps to access the full article. Select the Login for All Services button to log in with your UW Net ID and password. Some articles have a link that says Read Article or Download PDF near the top of the library record. In this example, we can select Read Article. A new tab or window will open in LibKey, a service that provides direct access to full-text journal articles. You may be asked to select the checkbox to verify you're a human. From here, you can read the article online or download a PDF version of the article. Let's take another look at the UW Library search record. Another way to access the article would be to look for one or more links under the View Online area of the page. Select the Online Access link. In the View Online area of the page, select the PubMed Central link. A new tab or window will open in PMC PubMed Central. Select the PDF button to download the 9-page article. When the article opens in Adobe Reader or other PDF viewing program, you can select the download icon to save it to your own computer. Following the links to a full-text article may lead to different paths. Look for words like full text, PDF, or HTML. Questions? You can always contact your subject librarian, Julie Planchon-Wolf, or log on to the library's 24/7 chat service, Ask Us.